What's inside an air source heat pump?
There are 5 main components in an air source heat pump. You've got the evaporator coil.
So that's your car radiator.
That's your cat, well, it's a radiator. Evaporator coil. You've got a fan.
So that's got, what's that got? Gases in that?
Refrigerant.
Refrigerant,
As,
right.
as a liquid
Right, okay.
in there.
Yep.
Here you've got the fan.
Yep. Is that your biggest fan, that?
My biggest fan ever. And it's a Daikin designed fan, and it's designed in a way that makes it super quiet as well. So you see the way that the blade is cut, super quiet.
Yep.
Evaporator coil, the fan. Inside there, you've got the compressor.
Right, okay.
And you've also, and it's obviously really well insulated. And behind there, you've got the check valve as well. The expansion valve, sorry. So compressor, expansion valve, and then round here,
Loads of circuit boards and stuff there, yeah?
lots of control on it, lots
Yeah.
of control. And inside there, inside that insulation, you've got a plate to plate. It's a big plate to plate.
So one side of that is central heating water.
So the inside is coming off the compressor, so that's got the refrigerant in, and this side here has got the central heating water going out to your flow and return for your central heating.
Right, okay. Yep. What else have we got?
A couple of other components. We've got the pump.
So that's just like a normal central heating pump.
It's very similar to a normal central heating pump. Yeah. Inside there, you've got the expansion vessel.
So expansion vessel at back, Schrader valve on top there.
Schrader valve in there. Yeah.
Back plate comes off if need be.
If you need be to get in, you've got a little air vent there.
So you
automatic
auto air vent, yeah.
Yeah. PRV,
Pressure relief valve.
pressure relief, and then you've got a flow sensor. You've got a space there for a flow switch if you need it.
So that's in training, it shows you about that, and it shows you that you could put a paddle flap flow sensor in there.
If you're putting glycol in the system,
Yeah.
because your flow sensor won't pick up the glycol until it gets above 25 degrees. So you put a flow sensor in there if you need to. And then there's a pressure sensor just around inside there as well. So that's really the main components.
Thanks very much.